Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Shiba Inu, SHIB, on Binance and want to move it over to Bitrue in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Why bother transferring? Well, Bitrue might offer better features, lower fees, or exclusive perks for SHIB holders, making it a smart move for your crypto portfolio. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Binance and Bitrue and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for security. It's a must in the crypto world. Start by logging into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section, then select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, where your SHIB is stored. Next, find and click on the Withdraw button next to your SHIB balance. You'll need to choose the network for the transfer. Stick with the one supported by both exchanges, like ERC20 for Ethereum-based tokens. Now, switch over to your Bitrue account. Go to the Deposit section, select SHIB, and copy the wallet address provided. Double-check that it's for the correct network to avoid any mishaps. Back on Binance, paste the Bitrue wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or text, so keep an eye on that. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025, so don't panic if it doesn't show up right away. Once it's done, check your Bitrue wallet to confirm the SHIB has arrived. Pro tip: always verify wallet addresses and use official apps to prevent scams or hacks. And there you have it. That's how you transfer SHIB from Binance to Bitrue. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video.